Welcome to the last part of the 100 most important brain MCQs. This video contains 40 most tricky questions on brain. Question number 61. Which stage of sleep is commonly associated with vivid dreaming? The right option is D. REM sleep. Question number 62. REM stands for. The right option is A. Rapid eye movement. Question number 63. Which hormone helps regulate the sleep wake cycle? The right option is B. Melatonin. Question number 64. Which gland secretes melatonin? The right option is C. Pineal gland. Question number 65. The body's internal biological clock is known as the right option is B. Circadian rhythm. Question number 66. Which area of the brain is primarily responsible for speech production? The right option is B. Broca's area. Question number 67. Which area of the brain is primarily responsible for language comprehension? The right option is B. Wernicke's area. Question number 68. The inability to speak or understand language due to brain damage is called. The right option is B. Aphasia. Question number 69. The left cerebral hemisphere is usually dominant for. The right option is B. Language and analytical thinking. Question number 70. Damage to Broca's area mainly results in difficulty with. The right option is B. Producing speech. Question number 71. The right cerebral hemisphere is commonly associated with. The right option is B. Creativity and spatial awareness. Question number 72. The reticular activating system mainly helps regulate. The right option is B. Alertness and consciousness. Question number 73. The limbic system is mainly involved in. The right option is B. Emotions and memory. Question number 74. The ability of the brain to reorganize and form new neural connections is called. The right option is A. Neuroplasticity. Question number 75. Which type of neuron carries impulses from receptor to the central nervous system? The right option is B. Sensory neuron. Question number 76. Motor neurons carry impulses from the. The right option is B. Brain and spinal cord to muscles and glands. Question number 77. Interneurons are found mainly in the right option is B. Central nervous system. Question number 78. Which part of a neuron receives incoming signals? The right option is C. Dendrites. Question number 79. Which part of a neuron carries nerve impulses away from the cell body? The right option is B. Axon. Question number 80. Damage to Wernicke's area mainly causes difficulty in. The right option is B. Understanding spoken language. Question number 81. A rapid change in membrane potential that travels along a neuron is called a. The right option is B. Action potential. Question number 82. Saltatory conduction occurs in. The right option is B. Myelinated neurons. Question number 83. During saltatory conduction, the nerve impulse jumps between. The right option is C. Nodes of Ranvier. Question number 84. Multiple sclerosis primarily damages the. The right option is B. Myelin sheath. Question number 85. Gray matter mainly consists of. The right option is B. Neuron cell bodies. Question number 86. White matter mainly consists of. The right option is B. Myelinated nerve fibers. Question number 87. A reflex action is. The right option is B. A rapid automatic response to a stimulus. Question number 88. The simplest reflex pathway is known as the. The right option is B. Reflex arc. Question number 89. Which imaging technique uses X-rays to produce cross-sectional images of the brain? The right option is B. CT scan. Question number 90. A concussion is best described as a. The right option is B. Mild traumatic brain injury. Question number 91. Hydrocephalus results from an excessive accumulation of. The right option is B. Cerebrospinal fluid. Question number 92. A brain tumor is a. The right option is A. Abnormal growth of cells in the brain. Question number 93. Which lobe is primarily responsible for planning, reasoning, and decision making? The right option is B, frontal lobe. Question number 94. The ability to remember past experiences is known as. The right option is B, memory. Que- Question number 95. Learning occurs mainly because of changes in. The right option is B, synaptic connections between neurons. Question number 96. Which neurotransmitter is commonly associated with learning and memory? The right option is A, acetylcholine. Question number 97. Which lobe integrates sensory information to recognize the position of body parts? The right option is B, parietal lobe. Question number 98. Which part of the brain is most responsible for maintaining posture? The right option is A, cerebellum. Question number 99. The human brain typically weighs approximately. The right option is C, 1.3 to 1.4 kg. The last question is, which of the following is not a primary function of the brain? The right option is D, producing red blood cells.